So after the incidents of the other day at the Airbnb apartment about the smoke alarm, false alarm, I'm paying attention to the alarm situation. So this small studio we walked into last night, it was really cold outside. Temperature is probably around 40-50 degrees. So the guest has nicely turned the heater in full power for us, but then I realized that there is no air circulation inside this unit, so carbon monoxide may accumulate. So I'm paying attention to this carbon monoxide detector here. But then I tried to test it by pressing the button here, and it doesn't work. So so I thought it's because I didn't push hard enough. Then I went to sleep at 11 p.m. and then but I'm quite nervous about this situation. So we leave the door open with a little bit gap so that air can come in. But still, I'm really nervous because inside the bedroom there's no air outlet. There's no window. I mean, there's a window there. I try to open it, but it's a very old window that cannot be opened. It seems to be haven't been open for a while, so it's completely blocked. So here is the situation. So in 1 o'clock in the morning, I'm quite nervous about this carbon monoxide thing. So I tried to test this thing again, and yet no matter how hard I push, it just doesn't sound. So I take it off, and I thought maybe it's out of battery. So then I take it off and try to open it, and here is what I found, that the battery has been misplaced with positive side on the same side, which is wrong. Because the other night we had exactly the same smoke detector, and I've been trying to make it work, or trying to make it not sound all night long. So I realized that you have to put it the other way, like plus and minus on one side. And so this is how it should work. And I want everybody to pay attention to this smoke detector things. Most people may not realize that this thing need to be pressed. The battery need to be pressed this way. Okay, to form a 3-point volt plus or 2.5 to 3-point volt circuit. Otherwise, it won't work. And in situation like this, and it could be dangerous. And the other thing I'm not sure is whether putting it here it's in the right place. So last night I was really concerned about this room. So in the beginning I put it inside the room, but later I realized maybe the best position is right here. Okay. So maybe the best position is close to the fire source, so that if anything happens, you'll respond faster than later and sorry. So this is my suggestion to everybody, and I will do more research on what's the right position, the perfect position to put the smoke detector in room layout like this. Alright, thank you.